I'm going to try giving Pop a call. Let's see if I catch Pop. It's about 6 o'clock at night. You can see your number. No, you can't see your number. Just enjoying being outside. Hi, is this Pop?
Hey.
Hey, Pop.
That you, Melanie?
That's me. It's Melanie.
That's your little heart. How you doing?
Oh, I'm doing great. I'm just sitting outside, enjoying the break in the hot weather.
Such a beautiful place to look. Well, you can run and jump in the pool every time you get hot.
Right, yes. We've been in about 3 separate times today.
What in the world is Chris doing with those big white things?
Oh, I made a video for you. It's a surprise. You'll see.
Oh, yeah?
I'll put it on video.
Well, good. I'll look it up tomorrow. Bud's gone right now. He gets that in for me, you know.
Mm-hmm. So,
hey, you know, when y'all go to Dallas,
yes.
you come through Atlanta,
Mm-hmm.
you come out I-20,
Yes.
interstate.
That's right.
And,
Uh-huh.
There's a Cracker Barrel right down there. I'll meet you at.
Well, we will meet you there. I got your message earlier. We love Cracker Barrel. We'll have we'll either have brunch or an early lunch.
Yeah. What time do you think y'all be leaving home?
Probably at 5 in the morning, maybe 4 in the morning.
Well, what time will you get to Atlanta?
Probably 10 or 11 o'clock.
Oh, yeah, well, we'll probably have lunch there.
Right. But if it's earlier than that, are you okay with breakfast there?
Yeah, they do. They serve breakfast.
But are you, if it turns out we're really early, are you okay going and having breakfast there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't think y'all get there that early.
Okay.
Yeah. But anyway, y'all gonna drive straight through?
No, we're going to stop in either Tuscaloosa is probably a good town with lots of restaurants, or if we cross into Mississippi, I think Meridian is the last before it gets kind of a dropping off point.
Well, this far is not too far from Atlanta to Tuscaloosa.
Right. I think we'll push on to Mississippi pretty easily.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Wonderful.
Uh-huh.
So what you gonna do tomorrow?
We are just doing work around the farm. I'll be cleaning house. It's such a beautiful day. I've been...
You sure cooking some good meals.
Oh, well, I try to keep it...
Yeah, that's why they don't hire you to get you on TV.
Oh, well...
With all your looks and your talent.
Oh, I might be getting too old for that.
Yeah. And Chris is always smiling.
Yes, he is. He is.
His mother's the same way, isn't she?
I would say so, and they both have beautiful smiles. Do you know she still has her original teeth, like you?
She has what?
Her original teeth.
Okay.
She has she had very good dental care. She's one of the rare 95-year-olds who still have her own teeth.
Golly. Well, I should look at all mine.
I know, that's an accomplishment.
Yeah.
I don't think I'll have mine.
These are real pretty. I looked at them.
Oh, thank you.
Well, my brother Gene, you know, I remember my brother Gene.
Yes.
You remember Gene?
Oh, yes, I do. I heard he's moving to a nursing home.
Yeah, he is. I talked to his boy today in Dallas, you know.
Uh-huh.
In Austin. And they moved him into a nursing home.
Ah.
He ain't called me yet, but, you know, I'm going to try to get Buzz to drive me up there to see him.
Well, I hope you can. I hope so. I hope you can.
Yeah.
Well, I know, Gene.
It's so good to see you, dear.
You too.
You're on TV.
Well, we'll be seeing you soon in real life. We should be seeing you soon in real life.
Yeah, Okay.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna say goodbye.
Thanks for calling. I love you.
I love you too, Pop. See you soon. I love you too. Bye-bye.
To the pick.
Huh? What was...
To the pick and hug around the neck.
Oh, I hear a train.
I said bush to the pick and a hug around the neck.
Oh, I can't quite make that out.
You hear trains?
I do hear the train.
Yeah, he just saw across the track.
Wow, that's neat.
That's right.
That's neat. We miss
Blows all night.
we miss having any train tracks. We don't live
The
close.
train.
Oh, I like trains. I would love that.
You just cross it.
Yeah.
Cross it.
I wish we had a train track that close. I love trains.
Well, you be careful there. Don't fall off your horses.
No, we're not riding this time of year. We don't ride them in the summer. No danger of that.
Oh, boy, he's ready. He's ready having a fit.
I hear that.
You gone?
No, I'm still here. I hear that train. Gosh.
Yeah. Well, you sleep good.
I'll try. I hope so.
Okay.
Okay, you too. You sleep good too.
Thanks for calling.
Yes, Pop. Always good to hear your voice.
Be looking for you on TV.
Okay, I'll be uploading.
Yeah. Tell Chris to be careful.
I will. He's more careful.
Try not to work too hard.
No.
He's busy man.
I know.
Yeah.
He's always going.
He's got more toys than anybody.
That's possible.
Who has the most toys wins.
That's right. Well, maybe. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, baby.
Okay, Pop.
See you. Love you.
Love you too. Okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.